Are you feeling buried under a pile of keywords? We've all been there. Keyword research can feel like trying to find a needle in a digital haystack. It can be confusing and a bit scary. But don't worry, because today, we're going to make it simple for you. In this video, you'll learn how to do keyword research and find the best tools that will save you time. So, stick around until the end of this video to discover all the tips and tricks you need to master keyword research. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get the latest marketing tips delivered straight to your feed. So, what is keyword research? It's basically finding the words and phrases people are typing into search engines like Google to discover content. It's the secret sauce for getting your content in front of the right audience. Now, let's take a moment to understand why keyword research is such a game changer. Keyword research is like adding jet fuel to your marketing strategy. It helps you rank higher, drive traffic, and most importantly, connect with your target audience. Whether you're running a blog, creating ads, or planning an email campaign, knowing the right keywords can save you from throwing darts in the dark. Now that we understand its importance, next, let's dive into the step-by-step process for doing keyword research. Identify your niche. Start by brainstorming topics relevant to your business. What do you love talking about? What problems can you solve? Next, you'll need tools to expand your keyword list. More on that in just a sec. These tools show you the best opportunities, like which words people search for the most, and which ones aren't too competitive. Lastly, check search volume and competition. You want keywords that enough people are searching for, but aren't too tough to rank for. It's like finding the sweet spot in your marketing strategy. Now, let's get into the really fun part. Discover the best keyword research tools that save you time. First, we have Google Keyword Planner. It's perfect for beginners. It shows search volume and competition. It's free and connects directly to Google Ads. Next, SEMrush is your go-to tool for analyzing your competition and finding keyword gaps. It's a comprehensive tool that offers insights into competitors' keywords. Next, Ahrefs Keyword Explorer. It helps you find not only keywords but also backlink opportunities. It is best for super detailed insights. Now that, if you are looking for something budget-friendly, Ubersuggest offers a simple interface and provides keyword suggestions and SEO insights. Lastly, we have Answer the Public on the list. It is a fun tool that helps you find questions people are asking in your niche. Perfect for content ideas. But how do you use these tools to maximize your results? Let's walk through it. Here's the trick: use these tools in combination. Start with a general idea in Google Keyword Planner, then dig deeper with Ahrefs or SEMrush. When you want content ideas, hit up Answer the Public. This will make sure you're covering all your keyword bases. But remember, with the right keywords, your content can rise above the noise and drive real results. So why not make your marketing strategy work smarter, not harder? Now that you know how to conduct keyword research, it's time to put it into action. Use these tools and tips to create content that resonates with your audience. And don't forget to leave a comment. Which tool you're excited to try first? See you in the next video.